Okay, this is a video from 2011. It's I can't believe it's 6 years since this has been filmed. It was a helicopter ride. I got off one of my mates. It didn't cost me a penny, but I wanted the front seat and I thought I was going to get it, but this old guy who's fought in the war got it, but I thought, wow, you know, he deserves it. So this is the very first time I've been in a helicopter. It wasn't as scary as I thought, actually. When they start tilting the helicopter, it started to get a bit, but it was really, really pleasant, especially later when it goes over the castle. This is going over what's now going to be regenerated in the port, the seafront. It's all going to be regenerated. So what you're seeing will look different in a few years' time, especially that bit there. That's going to be different. That's going to be all. It's going to be all filled in. It's going to be a bit strange. So that's planned for, I think, 2020. At the moment, it's all rubble. There's me. There you go. Can't believe it was 6 years ago. They got the castle in the distance, which we're approaching. So you got a better view. That's all going to be changed. It's all going through the process of changing. So this was, I remember it being quite spectacular, going over the castle. There's me talking away in the background. But yeah, it's weird looking back on this. It's a bit weird. It only seems like it was like yesterday, really. Yeah, the camera I had was a Vivitar camcorder, an old one. It wasn't even HD, so I suppose it's not bad video from that, really. I've done a running stream in the background just to give it some kind of effect, because it was only a small screen to record. Look at that view of the port. Here you go. We're going to go to the castle soon. It's, that's a nice view of Dover Seafront. There we go. The port. There's a ship going to dock. There's me talking away. Oh, I don't know what I was talking about. I don't know. In the white cliffs. They actually look white on the video, but they're grey, really. That's a good view. You can see the difference in colour of the sea. It's mad. And there's me laughing away.
I know, I was it.
There you go, the shadow of the helicopter on the sea. I think it was about, altogether this was about 9 minutes, so I've edited a little bit just for this. So I couldn't keep the camera still. There's so many things to see. I just kept moving the camera everywhere. There's a castle. Yeah. I think we're just about to go land now, so we're getting lower. No, yeah, it's quite impressed actually. I would love to do it again. I don't know how much it cost because it was a gift. There goes the Gateway Flats. Opened over. Wow. There you go. It was the regatta day as well, so that's all the stalls. And that white van, that was ours. That was the grey vehicle. That was ours. So this is in between working. I was like rushed to get the helicopter and then go back to work after. There you go, we're just about to land, and that's nearly the video. There you go. That was a fantastic experience going with the helicopter. Even though it was only a short trip, still. You know, I'll gladly do it again, no problem. So, that's about it really. Thank you for watching, subscribe, like. I've got plenty of on YouTube. I've got plenty more videos I'm going to upload like this, so fact, the bloke I was sitting next to, I said to him, I'll send him a link to the video.